Hi traders! What if launching a single ETF could not only boost Solana's price but also shift the entire crypto market into a new bull run? We have seen this happen before with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, and now Solana may be next in line. Stick around to find out how this game-changing Solana ETF could create huge profit. Before we dive in, look here. I share free entry points into top crypto projects and show you my personal results. If you want access to this exclusive information, make sure to join my channel. It's completely free and it's designed to give you an edge in the crypto market. Let's start by breaking down what an ETF really is and why it's so important for the crypto space. So, an ETF allows traditional investors to gain exposure to an assets like cryptocurrency without needing to own it directly. Instead of buying, storing and managing crypto themselves, investors just can buy shares of an ETF that represents the value of the underlying asset. This makes it much easier for institutional investors to get involved in the crypto space. The first major precedent was the BTC ETF. This was a watershed moment for the crypto industry. Prior to the BTC ETF, many institutional investors were hesitant to touch BTC due to its volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and the complexity of managing digital assets. But with the approval of a BTC futures ETF, billions of dollars poured into the market. The result? A rapid surge in BTC price, peaking just weeks after the BTC ETF launch. Following the success of BTC, Ethereum also saw its first ETF launch in 2023. The impact was similar. Institutional money flowed in, creating more liquidity and boosting Ethereum's price. Ethereum's ecosystem grew as confidence in its long-term prospects solidified with institutional backing. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs have shown that when institutional money enters the market, it brings stability and long-term growth. But now we are looking at Solana as the next candidate for the ETF, and stakes are high. One of the biggest impacts ETFs have on the crypto market is the influx of institutional capital. It's obvious. Hedge funds, pension funds, and even retail investors who want exposure to crypto but don't want to directly hold it can easily invest through an ETF. This means a lot more liquidity enters the market, which makes trading smoother, reduces volatility, and pushes prices up. When a cryptocurrency gets an ETF approved, it also gains a seal of approval from regulators. This is a big deal because it signals that the asset has reached a level of maturity and trustworthiness in the eyes of financial watchdogs. It gives confidence to investors who may have been cautious before, encouraging them to enter the market. More liquidity means less price manipulation and better stability. With institutions involved, the market becomes deeper and assets like Solana would see more consistent pricing. This in turn makes the entire cryptocurrency market more attractive to long-term investors, not just short-term speculators. Now let's talk about Solana. Why Solana? It's one of the fastest growing blockchains, known for its high transaction speeds and low fees. As of now, it's gained serious momentum with developers and users alike, and many are betting on its potential to challenge Ethereum dominance. This makes it an ideal candidate for an ETF. But the process of getting an ETF approved isn't easy. While BTC and Ethereum ETFs have already paved the way, regulators like the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, still approach new assets with caution. They need to ensure that any underlying assets in an ETF is safe from marketing manipulation and has sufficient liquidity to support institutional trading. In Solana case, the main concern might be its relatively shorter track record compared to BTC and Ethereum, along with network stability issues that have occasionally plagued the blockchain. Another hurdle for Solana is building the proper market infrastructure. For an ETF to work, there need to be robust ecosystem of exchanges, custodians, and liquidity providers supporting Solana's trading. BTC and Ethereum have been in the market long enough to build this infrastructure, while Solana is still developing it. However, as Solana continues to grow in market capitalization and adoption, we are seeing more exchanges listing Sol, and major custodians like Coinbase already providing institutional-grade custody services for Sol, which is a good sign. As of now, there are no official dates for Solana ETF approval. However, there is growing speculation in the industry that Solana could be the next big crypto ETF to hit the market. With institutional interest in blockchain technology surging and Solana's increasing adoption, the chances of approval in 2025 seem more likely than ever. In fact, if a Solana ETF gets approved, the benefits for both Solana and the wider crypto market could be massive. Just like with BTC and Ethereum, institutional investors would be able to easily access Solana without needing to directly interact with the blockchain. This would result in a huge influx of new capital, driving demand for Sol and likely pushing its price higher. The approval of an ETF would give developers and investors even more confidence in Solana's long-term prospects. So, projects built on Solana, including DeFi applications, NFTs and gaming platforms, could see increased usage and investment. A Solana ETF could also spark more interest in the broader crypto sector, leading to increased liquidity and attention for other layer 1 blockchains like Avalanche, Polkadot and Cardano. When big moves happen in crypto, they often cause a ripple effect throughout the entire market. More institutional participation through an ETF would mean greater liquidity, reducing the price volatility that often characterizes the crypto market. This in turn could attract even more traditional investors who have been cautious about entering the space of crypto. By the way, don't forget to join my Telegram channel, where I give away free entry points into promising projects and share my results. Stay ahead of the game and make sure you are ready when the next big opportunity like the Solana ETFs come your way. In conclusion, a Solana ETF could be a game changer for both Solana and the broader crypto industry. While regulatory approval is not guaranteed, the success of BTC and Ethereum ETFs suggests that Solana could be next in line. If approved, it could lead to a massive inflow of institutional money, increased market liquidity, and long-term growth for Solana's ecosystem. Stay informed, stay prepared, and make sure you're positioned to take advantage when the opportunity arises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.